This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Install MicUp and update your audio drivers so audio routing is stable. Next, pick a TTS engine built-in for simplicity, third-party for quality, because engine choice affects voice naturalness and latency. Once done, grant microphone permission and set MicUp as your default input in system settings so the OS sends audio to the app. These initial steps prevent permission conflicts and reduce latency before you configure You then configure the TTS voice, rate, and pitch. Test short samples of 5 to 10 seconds to hear naturalness and timing because those settings affect intelligibility. Next, route the TTS output into a virtual audio device or loopback so MicUp can ingest synthesized audio alongside your mic. After that, tune buffer size and sample rate. Lower buffers reduce delay, but beware of dropouts. Make sure input levels avoid clipping, and save a configuration profile for quick recall. You finish by mapping hotkeys for push-to-talk and for sending text-to-speech so your workflow is fast and repeatable. Then record a 30 to 60-second test session to verify the mic and TTS mix, latency, and volume balance. Adjust gain as needed. Finally, export or save settings and rehearse. If things go wrong, check virtual audio routing, app permissions, and buffer sizes first. These solve most problems quickly and restore a clean TTS mic blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.